Hi, this is N. I'm going to teach you, or I'm going to give you some advices on building character, party setup, or hero lineups. Please check the heroes. The heroes will be Hades, skills of Hades, that's Veil, that's Deadly Gambit, Hades Wheel. You must maximize this, reduce magic damage to all allies. 16. Then 39 for level 39 for Death's Veil, Deadly Gambit, Hades Wheel. This is for the barrier. Then this is for the healing spells. This is the converts to HP. Shield for Hades. Then another one is for Hecate, skills of Hecate. Deadly Rave, maximize that. Guardian Beam, Death Threat, silence all enemy. Then Nepotence, increases magic attack. Then another Peter, Achilles, Pentastrike, maximize that. Pentastrike, Tremor, not just Pentastrike and Berserk, maximize that. Then Mighty Might, you must maximize that. Then Athena, of course you'll have to maximize the healing. Level 32 Hold Degree is only super skill of Athena. River Veil to maximize HP to be a tank in the group, and increase resist in magic, River Steel. Okay, another tank. Where is Prometheus will be helpful. Astria is also helpful to the group because it's this combination reduces HP and ratio polyons in order to decrease the capability of the enemy to release a super skill. Then the silence, that's the most important thing, so that even if the enemy launches a super skills, Astria will counteract with it with Silence Zone, and she will silence all the enemy in order to block the enemy from making its super skills. And how about this? Damage it inflict silence, because Astria is a silencer, is silencer. She can silence all enemies, but unreliable or depends on the target's level. There. Another thing, Zeus, in using Zeus, remind that judgment cannot be, has no effect on int heroes, meaning int heroes will not be inflicted by the super skill of Zeus. You might use another ally that will burst your skills, like Prometheus will do is hero wherein he gives increased magic attack all allies. That's advantage to Hecate and Athena. Walang dahalan. Okay. Hope you learned from the simple lesson, simple lecture, and hope you can use it in your future future game here in God's Rush. Okay, thank you for listening, and hope you have a good day. Thank you.